say, grant us we hope to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. Congratulations. Oh, I forgot. First public kiss for both of you. Ano kamera?
Yeah, Aras. That's like
So how do we do the rings? Does he give us your
waiting G sa waiting na lang sa witness namin si Axel. Liam.
She gives these to me?
Kabalay na sila nag-exciting.
Yeah, ako tanan. Waiting man G sa witness.
Pero hindi ko magtindo ba yung anak ko?
Yeah.
Yan guys, ikakasal na talaga ako. Hindi na din mapugungan. Si Ate Faith yung nag-makeup sa akin. Hindi man ako, ngayon ako mag-makeup pag may mga sample lang, ganun lang, gusto ko sample. Waiting na lang ni Gisa dyan. Nandito na si Mr. Axel. Nakakatuwa no yung ang witness namin. Baka muling ibalik. Muling ibalik yung tamis na pag-ibig ng mag-asawa na diba? Si Axel and Gisa. Magkandirihan siya na si Axel at si Dan. Then mag-BFF naman si Dan at si Gisa. Wala kasing family si Dan na ano dito guys. Nakapunta. Wala siyang sa side talaga niya. Yan. Buti nilang dito si Axel, si Gisa parang nasa side ni Dan. Wala kasi sa kanya talaga. Kaya happy si Dan. Kasi may mga kaibigan naman siya din sa doon sa city pero hindi din nakapunta kasi may emergency, gano'n, not feeling well. Naintindihan namin ang situation. So, salamat na nandito si Axel at si Gisa na maging witness sa amin. Kasi wala kaming ibang dito sa Cebu. Kasi sa aking sa family din natin, si Mama lang nakapunta dito sa Cebu. Kaya kasi may trabaho. Kaya magpakasal kami ulit guys sa church wedding sa Mindanao para nakasali yung family ko. Waiting lang just ikakasal na ako. Maging Mrs. Third gift na ako.
Nervous wreck.
Why you're nervous? Why?
Get some new boss, of course he's nervous, sir. What a nervous.
You're new boss?
He's nervous for me. He's a nervous witness.
Yeah, Mr. Axel got nervous also. He got nervous also for Dan. You got worried about Dan. He's worried for Dan. We are worried for Dan. Yeah.
I'm already married for 59 now.
How many years? How many years with Gisa? 7? 7 years?
If you're fighting now, we're gonna be good soon.
Yeah. How about you, honey? You still have chance to like
I don't know. Who will listen to you?
Axel. The Godfather. Of course, the Godfather. The witness is the witness ka ng maninong kay Godfather. You listen to the Godfather.
Yeah, the Godfather.
Yeah, you should listen to Godfather.
Okay.
That's the
So my advice is go grab a beer and forget the whole thing. No, you're gonna be happy.
Yeah.
Baby girls are the best.
Yeah, that's it. Just go with the flow. I told you.
You find no other girls in the world that will take better care of you. But you also find no other girls
Is that
that
true?
struggle.
You're gonna start.
It's like a give and take.
Yeah,
So you have
should be.
stubborn here and then you have to take care of you, so it's kind of levels out a little
Yeah.
bit.
You're gonna take care of me.
Of course, they'll get to us part. She's
Baby Jessa?
yeah, she's coming. Yeah, she's coming.
She's coming in 2 days.
She's yeah, but she drove fast, really, because
Yeah.
from
That's
5.
That's actually
5, 6, 7, 8. Pulbaan mo ko? Me too. I feel kulba, kulba. Kulba, kulba. Kulba my heart, kulog my feet.
Actually, the sound in the baby just also makes it stronger.
I got nervous too.
That's something you have to get adjusted. You just have to be a little bit more relaxed.
Ito kung pagkasal ni Maris, na pwede amigo si Steve. Anak ko, sige sa istorya po ni Steve.
Jisa, where are you, Jisa? Your Habibi is waiting for you. Ah, are you happy, Lian? Na kay Daddy finally. Finally, na kay Daddy.
Just like mine. But what are your black shoes? Or black socks?
Oh, naraba si Liam po. Dahil po mong best friend. Liam and Lian.
Yep.
What?
Show 'em.
It's very hard to raise that boy too. You need some hand in his leg.
Okay.
The bride is coming. It's like, na-change na. The bride is
Come on, we can do a
coming.
double wedding.
Double wedding dog. Baka muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig.
There is someone parking the car.
Park the car.
Chisa is there driving.
He's not even stressed.
Hi, Sarah.
Don't shout, Lian.
If that was me from every car, I would just boom, let him go.
Honey, are you excited to be my Habibi? You're not scared having me in your life? Are you sure? No regrets? Then, bantay. Look at Chisa, oh, so sexy. Lady and red.
Ganda pag Jollibee.
Yeah, she's gonna have breakfast.
Astik yung mula ka.
Chisa.
Na may in love yung balik yung banana ni Ron. So sexy oh. Anong bride? Axel, heart.
Jollibee?
Lady in red.
Actually, my favorite color on my girl.
Your favorite color? Red?
Yeah, on
They're here. Hi, Rachel.
Hey, buddy!
Miss Dada. Miss Daddy. Happy. That's it. Sexy ang mami people. Marag ka mo ang bride. Marag ka mo malipaabot. Oo.
Gisa! Ano sa mga bakit ka?
Kaya wala ka biliwan niya. Be, ilang ginatambagan yun nga. Dapat siya sumagang. Gisa rin ko ha? Yan.
Gotta maintain the red horse.
Dan. Good advice. No. No, baka. Sayang na. Sigambagan.
Okay na, Van. Okay na, okay
Okay na, okay na.
I don't know if you
Ready na.
Good enough for Jollibee.
Yung may bisita dito dahil.
Sorry.
Timing mo na mo diri kini bisita dito.
Don Louis Tardif.
Yeah.
You're done. I thought that you were looking for somebody else.
Okay, kayo ulit.
Ikaw dito take picture.
Mary Glenn Templado
Yeah.
Bumawan. Okay, please stand. Stand.
Witness.
Witness, you said. Uy, okay, gulat ali. May adisa diyan.
Sarap, G.
Bangan?
Okay.
You're Last name of your mother is Townsend.
Townsend, yes, sir.
How is she related to the tennis player, Townsend?
Somewhere in that tree.
There's a tennis player there.
Townsend, yeah. A lot of Townsend up the road.
Yeah.
And
Okay, let us start. Ulitin na, ulitin sa Mary Green. Mary Green, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband? Dan, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
yes, sir.
Since you wish to contract matrimony, please join your right hands and express your intention to do so. Mary Green, do you take Dan here present as your lawful husband according to the laws of our country? Dan, do you take Mary Green here present as your lawful wife according to the laws of our country?
Yes, I do.
I, Mary Vicentes Cabaron, by virtue of the authority vested upon me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling on all those present here as witnesses to confirm and join you in the bond of marriage which you have contracted. Pray. Before you insert that, you follow what I say. Mary Green,
Mary Glenn,
wear this ring
wear this ring,
as a sign of my love
the sign of my love
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
Pero i-follow ko na before you insert. Dan,
That
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
Before you give it done, you follow also what I say.
Yes, sir.
Mary Green,
Mary Glenn,
I give you this ring
give you this ring
as a pledge
as a pledge
of my dedication
of dedication
to your welfare.
to your welfare.
And I accept it.
I accept.
Accept. Okay.
Ilan yung tayo?
Can you read it back? That's okay. Both of you follow what I say. Grant us, we hope, to be one heart
One heart,
and one soul
one soul.
from this day forward,
This day forward.
for better or for worse,
For better, for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and health,
until death do us part.
death do us part.
You've been living together now? Okay. There's no need for me to give a long sermon because how many years now have you been living together?
9 months.
Huh?
9 months.
9
Months.
months? Okay, it's long enough. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yes, ano, kiss the bride daw. You want to kiss?
Oh, I forgot. First public kiss for both of you. Anong kamera ninyo? Dati. Sige.
Again.
Kamera nakuha ninyo? Okay na. Bueno, nakuha mo na sa camera tayo agad.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Be patient, sir.
So, Dan, we're now going to sign the life sentence.
That's what I told you about. Life sentence.
Listen to
No return, exchange.
Still can return. No regret.
Even dugay mo din. Amon word karon pa. Okay. So sa city mo po yun.
Plano mo ba? Plano mo yung kwan.
Ah, good.
Sa picture ano mo?
Ako may anak.
Picture ano mo?
Okay, 9 months pa mo. Pero man na.
Leo. It's okay na.
Taga-asam ka.
Taga Mindanao.
Mga itong address ni mo sa...
Taga Mindanao, di ba? Nagkaroon akong recent address sa Palugo.
Oh, pero asan na kita na?
Bunga del Norte. Tulog.
Ah,
Personal resid ko. Busy din ba? Siya naghanap ko ng
okay. Let's have our picture taking for remembrance. Yeah.
Here, Mrs.
You stay here.
Of course you will.
1, 2, 3.
I can't send it because I wait for you.
I buy you.
Okay. Congratulations again. No, no, no problem.
Me, camera here. Put your back. I said, no, look good.
Come on, our vice here.
Ako bisa dito muna. Tulog. Sige, kita. Come here.
Come on, okay.
Kami sa liyan, kami sa sponsor na. Sponsor sa na.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Liam,
Liam, come on.
Buddy, come here. Liam.
Both of you, go there.
Come here. Diyo kayo. They are BFF. Smile.
Best friend.
Wow, best friend.
Oh, that's
He's so cute. Ay, galing ko ah.
Ikaw, Jake, kamu tulog si mama. Yung mama niyo, mama. Dili, okay na sa kanya, Jessa. Ay, family. Family.
Ay, kami sa tulo ni Lian. Kami picture ni Lian. Come on, Lian.
Feeling your friend.
Click lang the video.
Go. Matahan.
Lian, tanong lukat Lian. Okay na, come here naman ate. Lan, family kami.
Pero family picture. Ay, sarap pa kami niya. Right
Okay, sa Lian, family sa. Look kayo like white and red. Ano ba? Okay na? And
Yan na, Jesus. The red. The one in the red.
anak sa. Awak sa. Kasi kami sa Lian.
Boy, red.
Oo, share. Look up there.
Review all your interest.
I like the Jason. I like the Jason. Sexy? Sexy. Kami
Kasi daw?
Ganito sa reception bag na picture. Kamu sa amin. Tingnan kita ano hawak at Apa ini? Hani.
Yung sa mukuputan ni. Sa mukuputan ni.
Mary Jesus.
Giludhan ka din.
A little bit earlier yung bari.
Dito to juga niya kuan.
Mary binasag lang.
Sige, ako lang.
Dili mo kupot ani man. Gaba kupot. Unya na lang.
Di ko na
Napasad. Okay na siya, nag-record na siya.
Pislit nga na siya na.
Okay na siya, okay na. Nag-video na siya. Ang kilalang white may pislit ko.
White ra. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Tingnan mo, pilit tadi. Yan, dili mo. Plus na ito. Di ra? Ano ra? Okay.
Come on with your father. Linda.
Muling ibalik mo kami sa pag-ibig kami ang Ano siya daw yung kaalay. Ano siya yung kaalay nga dalon akong bag. That's your first. Yeah, I'm so happy finally Mrs. na ako guys. Mrs. 3D. Lian mo. Nang, nagpapahan ka sa makeup nang. Nang, nagpapahan ka sa makeup. Red na red all na lang. Mga, ay, really beautiful sa next flavor. Happy face. Cheers sa da, Axel. Yeah. Thank you so much sa pa-makeup na Happy face. Ma-beauty face. Thank you so much. Sweet na kayo nasa likod ko. Happy couple po. Happy family. Jisa. So sexy Jisa. Diba? Thank you. Thank you. Kisay mo kuhan karang sabay, masakay. Sabay, kisay mo sabay. Be, kamu si Ate Faith dito daw sa sabay ninyo, be. Sama kita sabay. Alas gang.
Marata ka.
Alas.
Ay, ano si Juan? Kamera sa kay Kauban.
Kamera, dan sim.
Ate, bisa ka naman niya.
Chris.
I'm gonna go back and take the.
Kaya ko ang lechon dito, ako na natago. Ay, tapad daw ta.
At dapat baklay sa manang pinasalbi mo.
What are we doing?
Dito na tanya.
What are we doing?
Right. Wait, rasa wala pa si Faith.
Awan niya gigad. Ay, mother. Ma, kasal na dyan ko, ma. Na dyan ko iba na. Di na ako single, ma. I'm not single, mom, anymore. Ang na makasakit, mga pag-antos na itaguntag single, mom.
Nagyo ka nga pagsulay, mga pagsubok sa buhay.
Sana hindi ako mag-regret. Honey! Hey! Yeah, nana kay wife. You have wife now. My mom. My son. Ha? Mara po mo, simsim na gamong, no? Ha? Simsim na mo. Kima?
Happy family.
Ikaw na yung next na ngampo na ko na. Ikaw ang next happy family.
I'm happy for you guys. Wala nang single ko forever.
finally na nanay papa na mukha si Lia na daddy na.
Nanay Papa si Lia. Official.
Official
father.
Finally, I miss
Happy
starting.
family, big family na. Happy big family na. Nanay daddy sila. Finally, my daddy.